The city of Rochester is taking the next steps toward building a sports complex.
We will be doing quite a bit of community engagement and also looking at what amenities we currently have in our community of Rochester as well as regionally and statewide to see what again sort of complex will give us the most benefit both for our local residents but also for athletes and others who would travel here.
The City Council authorizing consulting firm ISG to conduct gap analysis, community engagement, and concept design, all to the tune of $184,000.
Sports and recreation is actually one of our biggest business units in terms of staff time and projects. So this project definitely is very much of interest to us and it's kind of right in our wheelhouse.
Ideas for the complex are being tossed around: indoor spaces, outdoor spaces, soccer fields, and football fields. City Council is stressing the importance of community input.
I go back to what is the need in our community, what are we going to fill in that need, and that's what I'm excited to hear from the community.
Now, the idea of this sports complex is still very much in the early planning stages. One piece of the puzzle is how it's going to get funded.
The staff brought forward the initiatives that we were hoping would be supported and taken up to the state. The local option sales tax was one of those items.
The total budget for the complex is $65 million. Once the study is complete in July, residents will get the chance to vote on a local sales tax option, and that will be most likely in the fall. And if voters say no,
we're again 100% supporting the local option sales tax to be approved later this year, but if something comes along the way that slows that down or impacts that being approved, we can use this data to either better utilize complexes we already have or look at other funding mechanisms possibly to be able to meet those needs that are identified during this study.
In Rochester, Megan Zempel, KTTC News.